Hello, this is Andrew Hall. The Excel to Word document automation add-in makes it easy to update content in Word or PowerPoint documents based on analysis, data, and charts in Excel workbooks. It enables you to easily update text, tables, and charts from Excel to Word. 5 key takeaways. Number 1, the add-in significantly reduces time to personalize documents that need to be updated multiple times or by multiple people. 2, it allows users to link documents once, then update those documents many times or by many people. Number 3, it has many usage scenarios from financial analysis and reporting to creating personalized customer documents for sales organizations. Number 4, the add-in includes tools that make it easy to link content in your Word or PowerPoint document, to source data and charts in your Excel spreadsheet, and the links are very durable. And number 5, it's easy to get started. To try it, and for light usage, it doesn't require registration or login, and it's easy to install from the Office Store or from within your Office apps.